What's up, Faithpreneurs? Stephanie Mays here with SMays Designs with your brand in mind. And today is Web Wednesday, which means I will be sharing insights and tips on how you can leverage your website and create a better overall experience online for your customers. So today's topic is Google Analytics. Google Analytics is an important marketing tool that unfortunately a lot of businesses are not taking advantage of. Google Analytics is a powerful tool that helps to analyze and monitor the traffic coming into your website. It tells you where visitors are coming from to get to your site, what pages they visit the most, and what they do when they actually get there. Knowing this information will help you to analyze your marketing campaigns and see how well they're working. Also, it helps to see how effective your website is with helping you reach your business goals. The data that Google Analytics collects will indicate how visitors behave on your site. For example, if your goal is to get more people to sign up to your newsletter, then the Google Analytics will give you information on how often the page where the sign up is visited, and also how often the sign up button is clicked. You can use the data that's collected to then make adjustments to your copy, your call to action buttons, and your ads that lead to the sign up in order to get the desired results. If you don't currently have Google Analytics connected to your website, I definitely encourage you to do so, because the data that's collected will help you to make necessary adjustments to create a better experience for your customers, boost those conversion rates, and also help you to meet your goals. Well, that concludes our Web Wednesday topic for today. And if you have any questions for future Web Wednesday videos, make sure to leave it in the comments below. Also, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you next time. Be blessed.